Welcome to this week's edition of Oncology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Hemispherian has received FDA Orphan Drug designation for GLIX1, a therapy targeting malignant glioma, including glioblastoma. Preclinical studies show tumor regression and improved survival. The designation provides 7 years of market exclusivity, tax credits, and FDA fee waivers. GLIX1 is part of Hemispherian's precision platform, designed to selectively destroy cancer cells while sparing healthy ones. In China, HUTCHMED has gained regulatory approval for the combination of ORPATHYS and TAGRISSO in patients with MET-amplified non-small cell lung cancer. The Phase 3 SACHI trial showed a 66% reduction in progression risk versus chemotherapy. This all-oral, chemotherapy-free regimen offers a new standard for EGFR-positive NSCLC patients. The approval also triggered an $11 million milestone payment to AstraZeneca. Expression has received Austrian approval to expand its Phase 1 trial of ES2B-C001 in HER2-positive breast cancer. The amendment enables testing the immunotherapy in combination with antibody-drug conjugates like trastuzumab deruxtecan. Trial site expansion was approved ahead of schedule, aiming to boost patient enrollment. ES2BC001 is designed to elicit a durable immune response targeting HER2-positive tumors. Zai Lab has announced positive Phase 3 results for bemarituzumab in FGFR2b-positive gastric and gastroesophageal cancers. The trial met its primary overall survival endpoint, showing meaningful benefit over chemotherapy in HER2-negative patients. FGFR2b overexpression is present in approximately 38% of these cancers. Regulatory submission is planned in China. Ocular side effects were observed, but were manageable. Jazz Pharmaceuticals has received conditional marketing authorization in the European Union for Ziihera, also known as zanidatamab, in HER2-positive biliary tract cancer. Approval is based on a 41.3% response rate in a rare cancer type with limited treatment options. Continued approval depends on confirmatory data from the ongoing Phase 3 Horizon BTC 302 trial. Tempest Therapeutics has received clearance to initiate a pivotal Phase 3 trial in China for amezalpat in liver cancer. The trial will compare amezalpat plus atezolizumab and bevacizumab against standard of care alone. Prior global studies have demonstrated improved survival. The China approval follows previous clearances from both the FDA and EMA. AstraZeneca's Imfinzi has been approved in the European Union as the first perioperative immunotherapy for bladder cancer. The approval is based on the Niagara Phase 3 trial, which showed a 32% reduction in recurrence risk and a 25% reduction in death risk. Imfinzi is administered with gemcitabine and cisplatin before surgery, followed by adjuvant monotherapy. The European Society for Medical Oncology awarded it an A grade for benefit in the curative setting. AB Science has received FDA and EMA approval to initiate a confirmatory Phase 3 trial of masitinib in prostate cancer. The trial targets metastatic castration-resistant prostate cancer patients with less aggressive disease, guided by alkaline phosphatase levels. Previous Phase 3 data showed a progression-free survival benefit with a hazard ratio of 0.79. Masitinib is patent-protected until 2042. Johnson & Johnson has submitted a marketing application to the EMA to expand Akeso's indication for use in hormone-sensitive prostate cancer with homologous recombination repair mutations. The Amplitude Phase 3 trial demonstrated a significant delay in disease progression. Akeso combines niraparib and abiraterone in a dual-action tablet. HRR mutations are present in about 20% of this patient population and are linked to poor prognosis. Akeso has launched clinical trials of AK146D1, a first-in-class bispecific antibody-drug conjugate targeting both TROP2 and Nectin-4 in solid tumors. Trials are underway in China, the United States, and Australia. This dual targeting strategy is part of Akeso's IO plus ADC 2.0 platform and aims to enhance efficacy and reduce resistance. Stay ahead in oncology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com